how to access Discover Business resources online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you running a business? Well, here is how to access Discover Business resources online from your desktop. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link, and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in using your credentials of business account, and once you're logged in from the dashboard, you simply have to click business in the top menu to see resources available for business owners. And there you will find guides on business credit cards, loans, savings account, and cash flow management. So there you can click on any resources to read details, tips, tutorials, or tools to help manage and grow your business. And you can access calculators, budgeting tools, and articles directly from your dashboard to make informed decisions, and you can bookmark useful resources or download guides for offline references anytime. And that's it. That's how you can access Discover Business resources online from your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.